In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to produce another widely used report in Luxor CRM. It's called the Closed by Source Opportunity Report. This report is an extremely valuable resource for companies who are interested in knowing what method of selling and marketing closes the deal. By generating a report that shows you how many deals were closed from which source, managers and employees are provided with direct feedback as to where they should focus their marketing budget, what their best method of selling is, and more importantly, where they need to stop spending valuable time and money. In order to create this really great report, you must navigate over to the Reports module and then click on Opportunities Report to create a custom report. We're then going to title this report Closed by Source. From there, we're going to select the fields that we want Luxor to search against. So in this case, we'll want to see the company name, the opportunity name. We'll as well want to see the owner or the salesperson associated with this opportunity. We'll want to see the value of the deal. And of course, we'll want to see the organization source. In other words, when we first came in contact with this person, or how, of course, we first became knowledgeable of them. The next is select the fields to which Luxor is going to search against for this data. So the first one is going to be the closing date, and we'll select it between two dates. And why don't we select it between the first week of January to today's date? The next is we'll want to know that the opportunity status is, of course, closed, and that it's a done deal. The next is how we want this data to be grouped by. And of course, as opposed to grouping it by the individual salesperson, we'll want to group it by the organization source. That way we get a really good understanding of where each opportunity is coming from. And the calculated fields section, if we want to see the grand total of all the revenue being generated by all these opportunities, we'll choose that the opportunity's value, and we get a sum of it. Once all my data is entered in for the report, I click Save and View, and Luxor will automatically generate it for me. From here, we can see each individual source being grouped and all the opportunities associated with them. It's very easy to grasp right away that employee referrals seem to be a very reliable source for us. So this might indicate that maybe more of the marketing budget needs to be spent on creating employee incentive programs to keep pumping in those new referrals. Secondly, you see that the magazine seems to be doing pretty well as well. So in that case, you'll know to kind of increase your marketing budget for magazine spending. But you see here that maybe the web and trade shows aren't proving as valuable. So maybe you'll decrease your spending on that, pump in your spending into the things that prove to be more valuable, and hopefully you'll see a really great turnaround. This is an excellent way to get a deeper understanding of how your company does business best. You can grasp what methods are working for you and which ones aren't, so that you stop spending your money and time on sales and marketing efforts that just don't work. For more information, visit us online at www.luxorcrm.com.